How to find two-step verification settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find two-step verification settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and then just click settings and click account, and then here you will find two-step verification. Click on it and here you can manage two-step verification settings. You can disable it or change pin or anything you want, and that's it. Manage anything and then just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.